How to make Discord open links in Chrome. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to make Discord open link in Chrome. So to do this, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, you want to open the Discord application on your device and make sure that the application is completely up to date. Now then, to begin with, click on the use section from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. And next, what you need is click on the gear icon from the top right. And when you go to this settings section, you want to scroll down a bit and then you could find these. So you could find app settings, and underneath you could find web browser. You click on it and make sure to select external browser. And when you click on this option, now then whenever you click a link, it's going to be opened up in your browser version. So let's just take an example of it, how it actually works. You could just go ahead and open up any channel and then press on the link, and that is how you could make Discord open link in Chrome. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.